Henry McClure Live. Hey, I'm out here at the Blue Moose.
Let me go check.
And I want to thank Riley Ringold for putting together this presentation tonight. He had Chris there with the 3D printed houses. It was cool. A lot of nice people at that meeting. Even Joe Eert was there and he behaved. Chewed with his mouth shut. Hey, he was supposed to buy mine and Tyler's meal. Where was that, JoJo? You snuck out early. But anyway, great service. The host and the waitresses, man, they did a good job. I was just getting high on caffeine, stretching that out. Did you know that I'm the original developer of this? Got the architectural plans and everything to show it. You know, the guy who's using it right now, he's not a bad guy. Heritage Bank. Now, this is one thing I want to know. Is Heritage borrowing money from the Fed or not? That'd be interesting to know. All right, I'm live. Hey, are you going home? Are you going to the war room? Or you got plans? Yeah. Hey, good to see you. Thank you. All right, I met a guy, forgot his name. And that's shame. But he was thinking about arresting me one day when it came down to arguing about Jerry Morgan back in the College Hill days. He was a corporal, as I remember back then. Owns a home inspection business. I asked him for a card. I met a lot of people there tonight. It's not a 65-year-old thing, which I am. But that was fun. And Riley, go home and give Kelsey a hug and a kiss. Henry McClure Live, out supporting Blue Moose. Good coffee, great service. Looked like everybody had good food. And just admiring some of my work from the old days. I'm live.